both buy another microwave. The other one is kicking a bed, I guess. So we bought one a little larger. Trusty knife here. I'm a professional. Just open.
Big one. See?
Plate. Set this aside. We're gonna have to wash this before we use it. These must be the little wheelers that it sits on, so it does its spinning, rotating thing. Set that side too. Styrofoam. Careful not to break this, as you know it will make a mess and will ruin it forever sweeping it up.
Oh, it's a big one.
It's a little bigger than what we had.
What is one that? What is one?
Hamilton Beach.
Oh. It's a big one.
There's an instruction sheet off to the side. It must be in the microwave.
Okay.
No, I'm going to set it on the floor and pick it up.
Yeah, guys. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Oh, may I see? The big ones. Yeah. Oh.
Protective base.
Look the inside. See? 1,000 watts.
Instructions.
The instruction.
I think this tape here comes off as well.
Okay.
No, we're still going to wash this, so just setting it in different outfits.
Oh, have this tape today.
There's grooves here. That sits in the grooves of those. Power cord back here. I don't know why they do this. Maybe it's just tell people, hey, read your instructions. I'm not sure. Always cut away from your body. So if you miss, it doesn't cut you. And some people take and they cut it towards the neck. And end up a trip to the hospital. You don't want it. Instructions. Everybody says, oh, you don't need. Take a look at it. Okay? Just leave. I'm going to before I actually use it. It shouldn't be different than any other microwave. Hi folks, welcome back to another unboxing. Had to go buy another microwave. The other one is kicking a bit, I guess. So I bought one a little larger. Trusty knife here, only I am a professional. Isn't it open? Ah!
Oh. Big one. See?
Plate. You can set this aside. We're going to have to wash this before we use it. There's supposed to be little wheelers that it sits on so it does its spinning, rotating thing. Set that side through. Styrofoam. Careful not to break this, as you know it will make a mess and you'll need it forever sweeping it up.
Oh, it's a big one.
It's a little bigger than what we had.
What is one that? What is one?
Hamilton Beach.
Oh. It's a big one.
There's an instruction sheet off to the side. Must be in the microwave.
Okay.
No, I'm going to set it on the floor and pick it up.
Okay. There, guys. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Oh, may I see? The big ones. Yeah. Oh.
Protected base.
What's the inside? See? 1000 watts.
Instructions.
The instruction.
I think this piece here comes off as well.
Okay.
No, we're still going to wash this. We're just setting it in there for now, folks.
Oh, have to tape there.
There's grooves here. That sits in the grooves of those. Power cord back here. I don't know why they do this. Maybe it's to tell people, hey, read your instructions. I'm not sure. Always
Protection.
cut away from your body. So if you miss, it doesn't cut you. I see people taking it, cut it towards your neck. And end up a trip to the hospital. No luck. Instructions. Everybody says, oh, you don't need. Take a look at it. Okay, just I'm going to before I actually use it. It shouldn't be any different than any other microwave. Hey folks, okay, we're going to do a little mystery thing. No one knows how to set the clock on their microwave. Read the manual and you'll figure it out. This one says to hit the clock button when you want to set the time. It's 7:35 p.m. here, so you can hit the 0. 7:35 clock. There we are, the time is set. Now if you all use this one has all the minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. But we're gonna get something like to 8 minutes. So you hit the time click. We're gonna say 8 minutes. If you want to reduce the power so it doesn't cook it up really quick, it kind of takes a little time to, well, it does work. It's right below the power level. I usually go about 50%, 5 is.
What is the purpose of power?
So it doesn't cook the food too quick. It slowly warms it up. You know, on high power, it's heats it too quick and then, it's overheated. Here it lets the stuff slowly warm up like you would boil it in water or reheat something, you're gonna go slower. You just put it on high heat and go, it's done. You want to warm it up slowly. Or you want to warm it up. Oh, there you are. This is power, and we hit stop button. And boom. 7:59 left. Want to clear it all, hit that. Has other features. Just a kitchen timer, a countdown timer, doesn't use the microwave, like if you're cooking something and you want to do a minute, 2 or whatever, countdown timer. It has potato, popcorn, beverages, a defrost time. I don't use all these features, but usually it's the time when we use the most. So here are a little helpful hint. Set that clock. Alright, catch you guys later. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.
Bye guys, thank you so much.